393 Components Inc. is Utah's premier source for signs, decals, banners, and wraps. Let us elevate the ambience of your restaurant, bar, or any business space with our custom tabletop graphics. Revitalize your old tabletops and transform them into engaging conversation starters. Our tabletop graphics boast a tight bond with your tabletop surface, fortified by a durable tin mil gloss or matte protective layer, ensuring longevity against daily wear and tear. Picture your company's logo, photos, or artwork seamlessly integrated into your tabletops. From conference tables to break areas, from bustling restaurants to vibrant bars, our custom tabletop graphics merge style with functionality seamlessly. Choose 393 Components Incorporated, proudly serving Lehi, Utah, and its surrounding areas to redefine your space with our comprehensive range of signage solutions. Let us help you carve your brand's narrative into every corner of your establishment. Call or text us today for a complimentary quote at 385-233-1090 or visit us online at www.393components.com.